Hello po. My next video, Never Thought. Lagi kasi itong kinakanta ni Love sa akin eh. So, promise ko sa kanya na i-cover ko to. So, ito na. Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real. How did I ever find you? You are the dream that saved my life. You are the reason I survived. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Can I hold you? Boy, your smile lights up the sky. You are too handsome for the human eye. You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. You are the sunshine in the sky. You are the sparkle in my eyes. Whoa, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Ayun na ba? Sana magustuhan mo. Kahit naman minsan sintonado ako, nagugustuhan mo pa din. That's why I really love you. So, yun. Thank you sa pag-intindi. Kahit lagi akong may topak. Kahit lagi tayong aso't pusa. Parang umiiyak nga yung araw na hindi tayo nag-aaway. Pero hindi, kasi alam mo yun, kung nag-aaway tayo, na-miss natin yung isa't isa. Kaya mas okay na rin yung nag-aaway. Hindi, joke lang. Basta, lagi kang mag-iingat. Alam ko, panunuorin mo to. Alam ko, i-open mo yung FB ko para panuorin yung cover ko. O di kaya, isi-search mo yung YouTube ko, makikita mo pa din to. Sana lagi ka lang mag-iingat. Tapos, andito na ako, parate. I'll keep waiting till the day we meet each other. So, I hope so. Sana. I miss you na. Kaya, ito na. Sana magustuhan mo to. And sa lahat po ng mga ka-FB friend ko, salamat sa panonood. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Bye! And happy Mubarak pala sa lahat ng mga kapatid nating Muslim. Okay po. Thank you.